It's my trade in Nifty today. As you know, market opened with a huge gap down, around 200 points gap down. Since the gap down itself was in the support area, I decided to wait. And as I've been telling my previous videos also, I'm not interested in going long in Nifty at this point in time. I'm only looking to short and pull back. And here is an interesting pattern. We got a bearish harami and then a confirmation candle. So I shorted right there, and my targets were 23 217, 23 170, and 23 100. And market achieved all the three targets. I covered partially at around 23 217, and then some more at 23 at the low of the day, and then a few I had kept for the last, which I covered around there. So overall, risk reward ratio of 1:4, which I think is excellent in this market conditions. Now, things to note here, it's a beautiful candlestick pattern, right? We are getting a counter trend as we pull back, and we get a bearish harami, then we got a confirmation, right? And this is essential for trading a haram. And then we look for targets which are on the support area, right? And as the trade was right, market also fell and achieved the targets, all the targets, right? Now, let's understand why I'm saying that I'm not going to go long, right? If I look at the 15-minute chart and I just zoom in a lot, you can see that there's a clear rectangle which is broken convincingly, right? And it has also done a pullback, tested the breakdown, and now it's coming down. And the target is around 22,675, right? And most of the supports are gone. And if I go to a daily chart now, we can see that 22,800. There are many times Nifty tried to break this level when on the way up. So this could come in as a very good support level, right? So 22,800 is the level that we're looking for my trading to continue. I trade in DLF today. As always, my stop trading is limited to a few set of select stocks. So DLF, as Nifty was going down, I had no doubt that DLF will also fall. DLF, as I mentioned before, has got a beta of 1.8. So for every 1 rupee that Nifty will move, this guy will move. For every 100 rupees that this guy will move, he'll move 118 points. So here we got a pullback, very smart pullback, right? And what do you see in these two candles? We can see a bearish engulfing, almost, not exactly the same, correct? Right? But you can see how weak the candles which are going up are. It's a beautiful two hammer setup which should have just powered up if market was supporting, but it was not. Then we got a shooting star. Shooting star is one of the most reliable patterns you can have if you know what you're doing. That doesn't mean that she is shooting star, you go shorting it. So I shorted it here at 736, sorry, and my target was 722 and 708 points up. Okay, I'll explain how that went the target. So very simple candlestick pattern. Market is gapping down. DLF has gapped down. You know DLF will follow Nifty. So of course, we don't have any signal here. So we had to wait for the signal, which came on this particular candle, which as a shooting star, which negates the previous bull bars, if I can say. And then the targets were done very easily. So my risk rewards were at 722, around 2, and at 708, it is around 3.5. This is the trade. I think it's a very simple canvas size trade and should not have any worry understanding this one. This is my favorite stock Mazda. I did have a trade in it today. So I observe the stock very, very keenly till it goes into some kind of a SM, ASM, GSM, whatever it is. Right. So today I spotted a beautiful falling wedge on the stock. Right. So what is the target of this falling wedge? Just measure the low point and the high point that the stock made. So it was around 73 points. So from the breakout, we should expect approximately 70 point. It broke out here. So from here, it went up to around 70 points. Is our target 70, 80 impact. So easily I got 70 rupees from here. So 69, 70. So this is a very good pattern. If you see it and practice it long enough, you will train your eyes. So I entered here, right at the first breakout. The previous low was my stop loss, and my target was, what is this? Okay, doing that again. Enter here, stop here. Where am I not able to see? Oh, okay. Color is 70 rupees. So it's around 1:3 reservoir again. And another thing with the stock is it will also give you a chance to short, but I am not interested in shorting the stock till this low gets taken out. So these were the 3 trades that I did. I hope everything is crystal clear. How I identified, how to spot patterns, candlestick or Western technicals, and how to arrive at targets. So hope this was a useful video for you. Please do share and like it if you derived any value out of it. Thank you. I'll see you with the next one. Bye bye.